Today we're going to bring back a little history. When we had a restaurant, our first restaurant actually here in Garland, Texas, we had a food rep. His name was Ed Peters. He worked for Benny Keith Foods.
Yep.
And he came in our restaurant every week right before lunch hour and ordered this special right here. We call it the Ed Peters Special. We named it after him. It was with meat sauce, mushrooms, meatball, and sausage. He wanted the works. It was one of those off-menu items.
I believe we made a platter bigger than this for him.
Oh yeah, yeah.
He was a big man.
Yeah,
he was like
a big
6'3".
It became a staff favorite, and we actually started selling this in the restaurant.
People went crazy.
All right, let's get cooking.
Yum. Okay, guys, we're gonna cook our sausages now. We're gonna pan fry them. I'm just gonna put a little bit of oil in there just to get them started. Oh. Okay, guys, we're gonna put our sausages in.
While that sausage is cooking, I want to give a shout out to Zen Flour Peace and Orion Kasari. They gave us a super thanks, and we're very thankful, and we just wanted to give them a shout out.
Thank you so much. We really appreciate it.
Thank you.
Okay, guys, our sausages are not quite ready, but we're gonna cook the rest in the gravy. So it's like probably about 80% cooked right now. But we're gonna cook the sausages and meatballs in the gravy. All right, guys, we put our garlic in here. We'll let that fry up a little bit, then we'll add our mushrooms, some red wine. I'm gonna add a little more oil to this. I always cook mushrooms in a little extra olive oil. Very nice. We're getting too brown. All right, we're gonna put our mushrooms in.
A lot of mushrooms.
You know what? They're gonna cook down to nothing, like a cup maybe.
Right, I know. Yeah.
I'm gonna add some red wine in here.
Very nice.
All right, look at that. See that? The mushrooms are shrinking up already, and they're not even fully cooked yet.
Very nice.
But it smells beautiful. Yum, yum. All right, guys, our mushrooms are ready.
Oh, man, they smell unbelievable. All right.
Okay, now we're gonna fry some onions in there. All right, we're gonna put a little more olive oil in here. Get that hot and fry our onions. Basil, then we'll do the meat. All right, we're gonna get our onions in there. I play the bongos. Did you know that?
There's the Arnez over here.
We're gonna throw a bay leaf in there too, just to give it a nice little fragrance. I'm gonna throw a little basil in there now, and then we'll put a little more in with our tomatoes.
With the black pepper.
What a smell, man! All right, now we're gonna fry our meat. This won't take long. It's all mixed together really good. All right, we'll put some salt in here. I'm gonna take a little bit of this grease out of here. We're just gonna let this napkin soak up a little bit.
You want to keep a little grease in there because there's a lot of flavor in there, but
That's perfect. Beautiful. That's good. That's plenty. Okay, guys, we're going to throw our mushrooms back in here. Insanely good. Oh, man.
What do you want, buddy?
He smells that
Smell
meat.
that meat. Look at that tail go.
All right. Okay, now we're gonna add our tomatoes in here.
Oh yeah. With some water. Man, it's gonna be beautiful.
We're gonna let this sauce simmer for a little bit.
20, 30 minutes.
We're gonna put some sausages and meatballs in there.
I would let that simmer for about 20
Now
or
I can
30
have
minutes.
now I can have one of these again.
You can get this meatball recipe on our channel. I'll have a link in the description, so this way you can make these wonderful meatballs. Very easy.
Excellent.
How's that sauce coming along?
Looking good.
Oh man.
We'll let it go for about 10 more minutes. It's been what, about 25 minutes or so?
Yeah.
So we'll let it
It's like a Sunday gravy on steroids.
Gravy, gravy, gravy. Okay guys, while our sauce is just about done over there, we're gonna cook our pasta. We're gonna salt this first. Got 2 pounds of pasta.
A lot of leftovers.
That's what we like, man. Johnny calls them left-arounds. John, did you know that?
No.
Yeah.
Beautiful spaghetti.
Spaghetti.
All right, let's check out these garlic rolls. Oh man, look at that. Beautiful.
Perfection right there.
Since we're doing the Old Taste of Italy theme, I thought it would be appropriate to show the garlic rolls that we used to serve at the restaurant. We got our garlic butter and olive oil here.
Beautiful.
Baste all those. Be generous with the butter.
Holy crap, man. That looks gonna be amazing.
You can smell that garlic just cooking on those hot rolls right there. Now you can actually get this recipe on our channel. I'll have a link in the description. So this way you can make them yourselves. They're absolutely out of this world.
They're insane. Like I said, it looks too good to eat, man. Look at that bottom.
Perfect.
Give me that thing, man.
Wait a minute. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful?
Oh, give me that.
Melt in your mouth. Perfect. All right, now we're gonna go ahead and put some of this beautiful mushroom meat sauce on top. Mix it all in there.
Where's my fork?
All right, let's plate this baby up. I'm making Chef Dom's plate.
Don't be chintzy with the meatballs, man.
I won't.
Sausage and meatballs.
Oh, dang. That's how Ed did it.
Ooh, look at that.
And Ed really had something going there, let me tell you. All right, let's see. All right, let's test this beef out here. Oh man, it smells so good. Jeez, man. Oh, not on. Look at this. Oh, I got a fork in there already. Oh man, it brings back memories, let me tell you, just that smell of that pasta.
Very good.
Absolutely delicious.
Cameraman's coming in. Sorry, Debbie.
That's all right. Anyway, hey, we want to thank everyone who purchased our cookbook. And the last couple of videos that we put out really did well. We had a lot of views and we're very appreciative. I mean, a lot goes into these videos and it's very rewarding when, you know, we get a lot of views on our videos. But we just want to thank everyone. Thank the subscribers. And we're going to dig into this feast right now and enjoy. And hope to see you guys on this video. Take care.
See you soon.
Ciao.
Yum, yum.